Hi guys, today I will explain how to put video into black and white in Adobe. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project and also import your video, which you want to turn into black and white. As you can see, I only do all these things. And you can see it's a colorful video, not a black and white. Let me play for a while so you can see everything clearly. As you can see, after playing for a while, you can realize the video is colorful, not in black and white. Now time to turn it into black and white using Adobe Effect. You don't have to do anything special. Just take a look on the left top, you can see few options. Effect Control, Effect, and Text from these. Click on the option Effects. And here you can see the option of Video Effects. Simply expand this feature. And now the effect has been expanded from these. You have to look for this one image control. And on the first number you can see the effect black and white. Tap on it, take it and paste it on your video. Or on that part which you want to make into black and white. As you can see, the video is turned into black and white. And if I move the timeline, you can see the video has been turned into black and white. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.